So one of the things I've said to myself is that I'm going to be extremely stingy with myself, meaning I'm not going to be spending money on myself. I'm not going to be taking any money and pouring it back into myself, but I'm going to be extraordinarily generous with other people. And so, we just gave $10,000 and are giving out groceries to people. And I'm literally thinking of what can I do right now so that I can be a blessing to other people right now. And so what happens is the more that you're able to give, that is how you're able to get the joy that people think in their mind, the more that I get, the more that I consume, that's how I'm gonna have joy. And ironically, the way that you have joy is by giving back to other people. And so people don't realize that, but that is 100% how it works. One of the things that I think people can do is just pray about it and say like, okay, God, what is it that I can do with whatever I have? How can I be a blessing? And so if you're asking that question genuinely, God will, in a still small voice, kind of prompt you with different things. So just whatever God has given you, it's about saying, okay, with what I have, God, what do you want me to give away? Because the thing about happiness is that there is no thing that makes you happy. Nothing. There is no thing that you can have that can make you happy. And it's all about sowing. Like Jesus taught us that it's all about sowing and reaping. You sow your way into happiness, and that happiness is an outcome. And so when you say, okay, people say, okay, when you give, that's when you're the happiest, but it's so true. And it's counterintuitive to think, okay, because what people are wanting to do right now is hoard.